Hey hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sathital Katnal Entertainment, and today's video is about unboxing the Sony headset. So let's now, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So you need to open this. Yes guys, and here. Wait. So here and chop like this, and guys, this is a little difficult task. Yes, and sit down. Yes, and yes, guys, and here it is, and here it is. Yes, guys, and I'll open this. And this is the Sony headset. And I forgot to say another thing, that there is a wireless keyboard also. I'll show you that afterwards. Let us throw this waste. Chiro akade idadna. Here you go, guys. This is the Sony. Guys, this is the Sony one. And now let's unbox it. See guys, there is a label over here, and this is the thing which this and all has. And let me open my blade. Yes guys, and we are opening. Yes, get it open. Yes, let me put that inside. Yes guys, and it is here. Yes guys, and let me open. Yes, and here it is. And oh shit, there is another box inside. Yes guys, and keep the headset. And what is this, guys? I think something. Oh, it's the explanation thing of this is the explanation of that. And let us throw this that side. And here is the headphone, guys, and this is so glossy inside. This is so glossy inside, guys. This is so glossy inside, and here, and this is so glossy, guys. And here is you can make it height. Here also height, and here is this thing, this thing, play front, and this is the volume, and this is for power, and this is for some type of charger. I don't know, guys, so we have to check. And this is the right side one, and this is the left side one. So let's keep this, and let's see what's. Oh shit, I missed another thing, guys. This is yes guys, this is a C-type charger, which is we have to put like this, and we have to connect to adapter. Okay guys, and there is something this. It's from Reliance Digital. So, no need of blade. I'll just directly open like this. What the hell is this? Oh yes, guys, it is the fuse. It's the fuse of which has 6 switches, and here, and this is the resistance. And we have to open this 1 second.
This give me.
Yes, guys, and here it's opened. And yes, guys, and yes. So this is the switch, and it's white in color, and it's so nice looking. How is it, Chirag?
I'm ready. Nice.
Yes, and my brother is telling very nice it is, and there's some type of coating, and that is it for today, guys. And be tuned to watch more videos like this, and be sure to subscribe to my channel, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit a like button if you like this video. Please comment down like how was the video. So thank you and have a nice day. This is it for today.